Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I will be showing you how I created this beautiful manicure using dip powders. So here are the powders that I will be using today. These are from the brand You Are Sugar or Your Sugar. So I got these from eBay, and here's are the shades. So we have UR 17 and holographic UR number 10. And here are the close-up look of the powders. So first one is UR 17, and this is the beautiful bright red color. And we have holographic UR number 10, and this is gold holographic glitters. And for the liquids, I will be using my lavender violets base as well as the activator. And for my top coat, I will be using my Miss Nail Snow White top coat. So to start off, I will be applying my dehydrator to all of my nails. This will just remove the natural oil on your nails. So then after that, I move on to the base coat. So I apply a thin layer of this to my nail and immediately dip my nail into the powder and tap off the excess. So for my ring, pinky, and thumb, I will be using this bright red color. As I said guys, you can get this powder from eBay and it's very inexpensive. So I will be applying 3 coats of this powder and I will be back. So then after the third coat of the bright red color, I move on to the holographic gold glitter. So again, I apply a thin layer of the base to my nail and dip my nail into the powder and tap off the excess. So I'm going to apply this holographic gold glitter on my middle and pointy finger. So I'll let you guys watch me do 3 coats of this holographic glitter and I will be back. So once I'm finished with the third coat, I brush off all the excess powder and I move on to my clear powder. I highly recommend you clear encapsulate your nails. This will protect your color and your glitter from filing and buffing. So again, I will be applying a thin layer of the base to my nails and then immediately dip my nails into the clear powder and tap off the excess. So once I'm finished with the clear, I brush up all the excess powder and move on to my activator. So I apply a generous amount of the activator to all of my nails. This will harden the powder and make it ready for filing. So after a few minutes, I file and buff off camera, and this is what my nails looks like. So I remove all the dust and clean my nails with alcohol spray. And then after that, I move on to my Miss Nail Snow White top coat. So I apply 2 coats of this to my nails and cure it for 30 seconds. So then once my nails are cured, I apply cuticle oil to rehydrate my nails. And we are done. That's it guys for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you on my next video.